Assalamualaikum everyone, Jasna Fatima here. Welcome back to another video. So, if you are planning to live here in Kerala, it is important to be familiar with the spices that they are using here. This will help you a lot in cooking preparations. For today's Learn Malayalam with me, I will be sharing with you the Malayalam terms of the most used spices here. So, let's start. Cardamom, Elica, cloves, grambu, cinnamon stick, karuvapata, cumin seed, jeerakam, cumin powder, jeeraka podi, turmeric powder, manyal podi, coriander powder, malli podi, chili powder, mulaga podi, whole black pepper, kurumulaga, black pepper powder, kurumulaga podi. So basically, podi means powder or dust. Even the dust we get outside, we call it podi. I hope this video helps and please follow me for more. Thank you for watching.